Turn off the power supply and wait 10 minutes or more before beginning disassembly. Open the front panel. Remove the front panel. Remove the filters. Wipe the front panel with a damp cloth. Clean debris from the air filters using a vacuum cleaner or by washing with water. Attach the filters. Attach the front panel. Clean debris by washing with water and a soft brush. Switch on the circuit breaker. Wait until the display of 88 disappears from the remote controller and reset the filter sign by pushing this button.